Hi everyone, Gridlock Cosplay here. I am working on my control panel now for two reasons. First, I'm going to need a way to control all of these devices that I'm putting into this costume. And secondly, because I've run out of money and I need to save up for more materials, and so I just have to work with what I have. You may have seen this before. This is my mock-up of the control panel. It is a 2-scale drawing of all the components that I'm going to be adding onto there. So I have some scrap sheet metal here and all my components here for double checking the sizes, and I'm going to start laying it out onto the metal. So I know it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing here. The light's not working very well, but I have some round push buttons right here and here. A switch, another type of switch here, an LCD text readout, a TV screen for the backup camera, and I haven't added this yet, but it's the power monitor is going to go there, and then some more switches for the main power. So there we have the first one, just a test piece. Always do a test piece. And this is going to be a template for the rest of the holes now that I know how to cut it properly. Fortunately, they don't have to be perfect because there's a little bit of an allowance on the lip here. So. Nice window for the LCD, and it's not going to poke through, it just has to be flat because I need room on the underside to fit the TV screen, which is right here. course, this center one is going to be a little bit tricky because there's nothing really supporting it. So I'm going to have to hold it on this side and then bend it from that side. Now this is shaping up to be a really nice control panel. In addition to this, there are going to be 14 LEDs on here. I might be ordering sockets for them, so I'm not going to drill the holes just yet. So the next thing that's going to happen with the control panel is programming the Arduino boards to respond to all of this input. That's going to be later and just as I need it to control the components that I've already built. So that's all for this week. Please like and subscribe. Do you think I should leave it as brushed metal or should I paint it black or yellow? I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys later. Boop, 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 boop.